Okay, I'm going to start again. Not start again, but it ended. So what I was talking about was this little house here. Reminds me of their house, just one story instead. So I thought I'd put it on here because it goes with it really well. Again, this is my lace that was my mother's. It's vintage, so I put that in here because I see her loving that as well. And then this is what they call a kissing stamp, and that's a unicorn if you can't tell. It's a real cool unicorn. It's a stamp I have, and I'd love to get a tattoo of that. That is so cool. I've never had tattoos, and I probably will never get one. Anyways, this is a place where you can journal. Unfortunately, over here, I tried my best, but you can still lay it over and journal there if you need to. I made this into like a little tuck spot where you can just put these two doors behind there, and it holds it closed. And this right here, it's a hidden paper clip. It just clips on. Well, actually, no, it's not hidden. My bad. It's just a flip that flips over any page, but it's a place that you can journal on, as you can see. And it's a little hat with the little fluffies on it, and I thought that would be perfect on here. So it goes over the top to make like a little tuck spot if you choose. You can take it off and put it somewhere else if you want. It's up to you. And then we have this page. I love this paper. This is another extended page. I'm just going to take that on off. Here is the charm that's on it, which is a octopus, because they use kind of things like that in their potions. Anyways, this is some vintage lace on top of a vintage ribbon. So yeah, I just thought I'd put that on top of there. This just opens up like this. If I can just, there we go. It's an extended page where you can write here if you want to on ledger paper. Here's the rest of that. Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry on the other page. This one says Hogwarts School of. And then you have little journal cards and paper in there for you to write on. Need to close that back so it'll stay closed. Pin that back, I mean. There we go. Another place you can journal on. You can even journal on these if you want to. It's just going to be bumpity. Okay. Hang on. I don't know why it's acting that way. Hold on. Having issues. There we go. Okay. Charms, they do tend to want to flip to the other side and do the way they want to be. Because she loves gardening just like me, she has this in there. You know, different kinds of flowers. And then this beautiful ribbon up here I love. It's got like a velveteen to it and a place that you can write. And right here, you can actually make this into a gardening if you want to. Journal. There's the other side of the Green Gods vault that got broken into kind of thing. Another pocket like on the other side. Sorry if you hear my buster in there. This is a journal card with a beautiful yellow rose on it. I'm trying to get this to... this is the problem I hate. I don't know why it's not. Let's bring in, I guess. I don't know. Why is it not? There we go. It's got roses, yellow roses with another one of my doilies on it. And on the back you can journal. Hopefully it's not blurry now. I don't know how to set the autofocus. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't even know cameras even. Anyways, another one of my homemade papers that I created a long time ago. This little piece that I had left over out of my journals that I used to jot things down on. Just a regular plain journal until I started making junk journals, which are cooler. Anyways, there's the other page that I think is really cool. This is a pocket here, as you can see, and you can journal on it with some cool music in the background that I just love. This folds out, so you can journal there. And then here is the last page is, not the last page, but another tuck spot and a journal card. And then, as you can see, my eco-dyed paper. This is another tuck spot with a place that you can write on as well. This is paper. This is a special thing for the person that buys it. You'll know what it is when you open it. I'm just going to show you, because if I don't, then you're going to be like, well, then I'm not buying it. It's just the family's clock. It was going to be a surprise, but, you know, why not? Try to lay it all back down so I can tuck it all back up underneath here. Oh, first, this is another thing that you can extend out and journal and put down your thoughts and stuff on. Or turn it into a real envelope if you choose to. Just get all the stuff back in there. There you go. And this is the last page. It has just some journal cards, a little thing about a plant, and then something of her crocheting needs, and that's it's a pattern inside of here for crocheting that she wanted to keep. And this is some vintage red lace with a charm on it of an owl with the homemade paper. And this last page, or the back page here, is an extended out kind of page. It's on hard cardstock. But yeah, it's a place where you can journal onto as well. And that is what the journal is. And then there's some extra stuff over here that I don't want to show on camera. These are the surprise things that you will get with the journal. They're supposed to be a surprise. But there is some extra stuff. And gotta get it off of here. Bear with me. Almost forgot to show you. This is her charm, not her charm, but her spine jewelry that goes on the spine here. It'll hang from the spine, if I can get it on there. Hang on. So you can see what it looks like. It's very cute. It's hard to do it from a distance. Just bear with me. Try to do this one-handed. See, it's a little easy. And it's part of it comes with it. And it just has ribbons from her daughter's, putting her daughter's hair when she was little maybe, or what have you. And then there's jewelry that hangs from it. Necklaces. There's 2 necklaces here. And there's also earrings that are hanging from here. I was going to hang them up here, but I'd rather have them in this where they can hold on to the jewelry itself and hold on real well. But yeah, and then her daughter made her a friendship bracelet, and that's the colors of their whatever you call it, the Gryffindors. And of course, just ribbons and stuff like that in there that are the colors of their house. That's it, the color of their house. And that's what you'll be getting with this journal, along with my gratitude for buying her, because otherwise she's going to be sold to someone locally, if not, because yeah, it just will be. But yeah, there's a lot of things over here that will be going with it as well, that I have actually added to it. That is really cool, and you will love these as well. Sorry about the sounds. I didn't turn off my phones. I'm not recording on my phone. This is on my camera. So anyways, that is her. That is the Molly Weasley journal. It's on my Etsy shop. If you choose to buy it, thank you. If you don't, then check around. You might find something else that you like. I have another journal on my shop as well. It's a spring journal good for making into a garden journal even, if you choose to. It's up to you. But anyways, I guess that's it. I'm going to let you go, and then I'm going to post this up for that journal. And I'll give that journal, it's already been up for a while now. And so I'm just going to give it maybe a month, maybe, and this one. And then I'm going to start trying to sell it just locally instead. Or I might even keep it for myself as a second journal for my gardening. You never know. Anyways, thank you for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. And look how big the gator mouth is now. You see what I mean? It's huge. Look at that. When you open it up, she gets chunky. So anyways, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.